Welcome to the Now You Know podcast, a podcast that will guide you to successfully navigate the online world and give you, as a super bonus, some thought-provoking takes on life. Without further ado, here is your host, entrepreneur, marketer, professor, and author, Flavio Salza. We are happy to have you here today. Enjoy the show.
Welcome back, marketeers, digital enthusiasts, or just listeners of podcasts. So today is another episode of the Now You Know podcast. I'm your host, Flavio, and today we are diving deep into the world of marketing research. Remember, one more slice of that marketing pizza that empowers marketeers to truly understand their target consumers and markets, if they do it right? So let's rock. To kick things off, let's clarify the importance of market research. It's the key that unlocks the mystery surround your consumers and market trends. So it's a tool, of course, but you can use it to unlock, the mystery of consumers and market trends. And why is this important? Because more you know, the better you are off to actually um, craft some kind of strategy to really reach the people that you are looking for. So, the impact of market research on product development, for example, let's imagine that you are in a gaming industry, for example, and you're planning to launch a new game, right? Blockbuster title or something. By conducting extensive research, you can identify the gaming preferences, age groups, or even, what kind of a platform your target audience play more. Like, are you developing a game for PlayStation or for Xbox or whatever, right? So you need to know these insights ensure, for example, that your game is not just a creation, but a tailored experience that captivates the gaming community or the gamers. So it's not, in market research, by the way, it's not only about product launch. Marketing research plays a crucial role, for example, in understanding your audience preference and behaves, like we already talked a little bit. And more than that, if we take a look on retail, for example, imagine you are running a clothing store and you want to know what styles are trending among your target demographic. So you can run surveys, you can have some data analysis, people who comes to your website, for example, or even come to your physical store. And you can identify the fashion preference they have, and that's, for example, can help you to tailor your inventory accordingly to those preferences, which is a kind of a win-win.
Show me the money!
Okay, all right, so I'll show you the money. Let's talk about the digital landscape then. In the age of social media, marketing research becomes even more crucial because, again, let's go to another example like Netflix. By analyzing user data, they gain insights into viewers' watching habits, preference, and even the content they skip. So all this information makes them, Netflix, more willing to create personalized recommendation, and that will enhance the user experience and keep the subscriber engaged and paying the fees, right? So this level of personalization keeps subscribers hooked and loyal. And in the era of subscription service, market research is driving force behind customer retention. So again, you can see that market research can go much more beyond than finding an audience or trying to understand the market. It's really crucial nowadays. But it's not just about, again, knowing your consumer. It's about understanding, can be also about understanding the competitive landscape that you are in, your company. if we take again an analysis of competitors, for example, if we see like Coca-Cola and Pepsi, they continually conduct research to stay ahead of each other, or ahead of competitors on the beverage industry, right? So again, you can use market research to help you analyze your competitors, and you can identify gaps in the market and capitalize on those opportunities. So it's a super tool. And also I didn't mention here, but let's, if we see in terms of data analytics, again, every single click link, that you click on it or like or share, that's generate valuable data. And companies like Amazon, they leverage this data and not only understanding consumer behavior, but also predict future trends. So again, by analyzing purchase patterns, for example, they can recommend products, making the shop experience seamless and enjoyable for consumers, right? So here's your money. Show me the money, right? So in conclusion, market research is the compass that guides marketeers through the vast landscape of consumers' preference and market dynamics. Whether you are a giant corporation or a small business doesn't matter. Investing time and resource in research pays off in the long run. And if you do it right, it can pay off in the short run. Many people or many companies actually, they don't know exactly what they are looking for when they hire a market research company. They expect the service company to actually craft the survey for them, or craft, find the ideal consumers for their product, etc. But that needs to come from those small companies or those big corporations that is hiring this, the outsource market research company. So don't expect the market research company to do the job for you. So that's what I mean. It can pay off in the short run if you do your job to identify what is your necessity. And that's really important. And remember, knowledge is power. And in the world of marketing, understand your audience is key to success. All right. So finally, it's time for maybe a Darth Vader announcement.
If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe, rate, and leave a review. Thank you, and until the next time.
Thanks for listening. The Now You Know guidebook is now available at Amazon worldwide. Get your copy on paperback or Kindle. You can also keep up and interact with Flavio Salza via LinkedIn and Twitter. Plus, check back weekly for new episodes. Until next time, keep rocking and loving on what you do.